Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share how you can make money with cryptocurrency. So you are interested in getting into crypto and want to turn Bitcoin into cash. You have heard all of the success stories, people making millions of dollars by getting in early and selling when the prices are high. Or perhaps you have friends who makes a steady income by mining cryptocurrency. Everyone gets into the cryptocurrency field to make money, but not all end up doing that. A lot of people either simply give up along the way or lose money because they don't properly understand how to make money with cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency industry is still in its early stages of development. As the crypto assets increase in price, more people come into the industry, and these newcomers are always trying to figure out how to make money from cryptocurrency. The good news is there are many ways of making money with cryptocurrency. Since 2011, there has been consistent growth in developer activity, social media activity, and the number of startups created in the cryptocurrency industry. So here I will share closure look at the how to make money with cryptocurrency. So first of all, I will tell you, can you make money with cryptocurrency? The answer is yes, you can make money with cryptocurrency given the inherent volatility of crypto assets. Most involve a high degree of risk while others requires domain knowledge or expertise. Trading cryptocurrency is one of the answer to how to make money with cryptocurrency. Although the daily average volume of cryptocurrency trade is just 1% of the foreign exchange market, there is a lot of volatility in the crypto market. So there is the potential to do short-term trades. Even though the crypto market is relatively small at the moment, there is great growth potential. In addition to some of the more well-known cryptos like Bitcoin, AMP, Lota, and Moonshot, Polygon. So likewise, there are a host of crypto buying platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Robinhood. So you have plenty of options when it comes to make money with crypto. Essentially, there are quite a few methods for you to make legitimate money with cryptocurrency other than the obvious way of trading. So let's have a look on the 6 strategies of how to make money with cryptocurrency. If you are wondering how to earn money with cryptocurrency, look no further. Strategies for making money with crypto rely on 3 mechanisms. Firstly, you can invest or trade in the crypto exchange market, and you can do this without owning any crypto yourself, like investing in gold on the stock market. Secondly, you can use the coin you already own to stake and lend coins to the system or other users. Thirdly, you can participate in the blockchain system by mining or receiving coin rewards for work done in the system. So based on these 3 mechanisms, here are the 6 strategies for making money with cryptocurrency. Number 1 is investing. Investing is the long-term strategy of buying and holding crypto assets for some time, and crypto assets are generally well suited to a buy and hold strategy. So they are extremely volatile in the short term but have tremendous long-term potential for growth. The investing strategies requires you to identify more stable assets that will be around for the long term. Assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have been known to show a long-term price increase and can be considered a safe investment in this regard. Number 2 is trading. While investing is a long-term endeavor based on the buy and hold strategy, trading is meant to exploit short-term opportunities. The crypto market is volatile. This means the prices of assets can increase and decrease in price dramatically over the short term. To be a successful trader, you need to have the proper analytical and technical skills. You will need to analyze market charts on the performance of the listed assets so that you can make accurate predictions about price increases and decreases. When trading, you can either take a long or short position depending on whether you expect the price of an asset to rise or fall. This means you can make a profit regardless of whether the crypto market is bullish or bearish. Number 3 is staking and lending. Staking is a way of validating crypto transactions. If you are staking, you own coins but you don't spend them. Instead, you look the coin in a cryptocurrency wallet. A proof of stake network then uses your coins to validate transactions. You receive rewards for doing so. In essence, you are lending coins to the network. This allows the network to maintain its security and verify transactions. The reward you receive is similar to the interest a bank would pay you for a credit balance. The proof of stake algorithm chooses transaction validators based on the number of coins you have committed to stake. This makes it much more energy efficient than crypto mining and doesn't require you to own expensive hardware. You can also choose to lend coins to other investors and generate interest on that loan. Many platforms facilitate crypto lending. Number 4 is crypto social media. Multiple blockchain based social media platforms will reward you for creating and curating content. You are often rewarded with the native coin of the platform. Number 5 is mining. Cryptocurrency mining is how to earn money with cryptocurrency like the original pioneers. Mining is still a crucial component of the proof of work mechanism. It is where the value of a cryptocurrency is generated. If you mine a cryptocurrency, you are rewarded with new coins. To mine, you need technical expertise and upfront investment in specialized hardware. Running a master node as a subset of mining, it requires expertise and significant upfront and ongoing investment. Number 6 is airdrops and forks. Airdrops and free tokens are distributed to generate awareness. An exchange might do an airdrop to create a large user base for a project. Being part of an airdrop can get you a free coin that you can then use to buy things or to invest or trade. A blockchain forks because of changes or upgrade in a protocol that create new coins. If you hold coins on the original chain, you will typically get free tokens on the new network. This means you get a free coin because you were in the right place at the right time. So if you want to invest in cryptocurrency, so I will share some tips. That investments are always risky and experts say cryptocurrency is one of the riskier investment choices in the market. However, digital currency is also the hottest asset, and currently the global cryptocurrency market cap is $2.66 trillion, and it is expected to rise impeccably. If you are willing to invest in digital currencies, these tips can help you and educate you very well. So if you are going to invest in cryptocurrency, first of all, learn about cryptocurrency exchanges before investing a dollar. These platforms provide a medium to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. According to Bitcoin.com, more than 500 exchanges are available to choose from. Do your research, read reviews, and speak to an experienced investor before proceeding. Various Telegram communities are there guiding and sharing their personal experiences. Crypto Gaming Bulls is one of them. So, if you're going to invest in cryptocurrency, know how to store your virtual currency. When you purchase crypto coins, you need to store them. You can choose a crypto wallet to stock up on an exchange or in a digital wallet. One of the cryptocurrency wallet described in this video, and while there are several types of wallets, each has its advantages and technical and security requirements. As for trading, you should research your hosting options before investing. In the end, some of the best methods that we came across include cryptocurrency saving accounts, play to earn gains, yield farming, staking, and a long-term holding investment strategy. With that said, the overall best way to make money from cryptocurrency is to invest in promising digital assets that are still at the very start of their roadmap journey. In doing so, you can often invest in the project's token at a highly favorable price. The best project for this purpose that we identify is Lucky Block, which is revolutionizing the global lottery industry. I hope this video helps you a lot. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.